Behind me is Charlie Boy's WRX, and today we're gonna install a mod that's gonna transform the way this car looks, and potentially the way this car drives. But the mod isn't in the front.
Well, actually, the mod's in the back.
Oh yeah!
Yo!
Let's reveal the mod.
And the mod is inside this box.
What are you doing with your hand?
Hey, no free advertising.
Before we unbox this thing, what do you think this is?
Is it new rims?
Absolutely. Einstein. It's rims in this nice vertically large box. Whoa, look, it's a Philly cheesesteak.
So I actually haven't seen this. You know what this is.
Well, I actually, it's been so long since I've had it that I've forgotten.
This is true.
Yeah.
Ready?
Good.
Oh my god.
Yo! This is sick.
Take a look.
Isn't it sick?
I think we've got carbon fiber.
It looks good.
So now that we know that the mod is a wing,
Let's get the old one off.
alright, so Chuck, this thing is bolted on, right?
I don't know. But
Ah.
we will now find out by removing these clips, getting the trunk liner off. Ah. Yeah, there we go. What's all that deadening? That seems aftermarket, eh?
This is aftermarket deadening.
Is it?
Yeah, it looks
this
like
is
so.
this is like the main brand for sound deadening.
Mine is completely off. I don't think it's going back on.
Alright, so the tutorial video that we watched showed that we had to take 2 bolts off. But there are no bolts, so we think it's just glued on. And let's go get some fishing line.
Like, why would there be deadening in the trunk? Underneath the deadening?
Yeah, I really don't know. Maybe the last person to own your Subaru was like a mob boss or something, and
Right.
his cargo might have been pretty loud, you know? Sound deadening and whatnot.
Yep.
Oh yeah, there's popers up here.
Oh no. Let me know when they're gone, hey?
Oh damn.
Auto house? You'll be hearing from my lawyers.
Can I have this?
No, let's go.
No.
No.
Monster.
No. Eat your vegetables.
Mighty monster.
Let's get this done.
Look. Look.
Oh.
I'll hold
Oh!
Ralph's getting it done too. Let's go.
Hurts, don't it?
it. Frequency.
So, what made you decide to get a wing?
My thing's sound effects. Here's a T-Rex.
My thing's sound effects. Here's a T-Rex.
Okay, so what made you want a wing?
My thing's sound effects.
Stop.
I think the black carbon would look really nice with the rear of this car, considering the fact that it's got the black sort of like diffuser here, you know, just black here, and eventually I think I kind of want to make this black too, to create sort of like a, I don't know, tofu car
Okay.
vibe.
Cool. So we were having issues getting past a certain point, and we realized it's because the line was literally getting stuck in the spoiler.
Ooh, that's not good.
Looks like your old spoiler
It's cooked.
is going in the dump.
That's fine with me.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait a minute.
What did we just do? And where did that come from? Well then.
Well, there isn't one on this side, but there's one on this side.
And I don't think OEM they would use
Yeah.
a fucking screw.
Yeah,
What the
a
hell is
self-tapping
that?
screw that's this loose.
Look at the amount of dirt and crud that was in this.
Yeah, that's disgusting. Hey.
I don't even want to hold this anymore.
Put that down, bro.
Throw it away.
Okay. Oh.
You hear that?
What's inside? I think the person that put the spoiler on just decided to throw an extra self-tapping screw in, just for good measure.
Kind of looks like it, to be honest.
You know what this means, right?
What?
We're gonna have to take your trunk thing apart again.
Yeah, that's fine. To get the screw out,
Yeah.
right? That's cool, that's cool.
Hold up. Now the weather is getting a lot warmer, and I noticed that you guys seem to really like Findway's F100 floor mats. And since I've had them, these mats have really helped me out, so I thought, why not return the favor? And show you guys how I like to clean my Findway mats. Because these things look pretty rough right now, but that means that they're doing their job. Looking great. If you want to pick up a set of these for yourselves, go to findway.ca and use code HoonHouse10 for 10% off. Looking good and protected for the next season. Back to the video.
No tools required.
There you go, see?
Yeah, no tools
Yo, Joey,
required.
it's just by hand, dude.
Well, go and catch it, Joe. Go and catch it.
It's very rusty and painful. Sepsis.
See it?
There we go.
Excellent.
Nice.
Excellent.
Excellent. Wait a minute. Is this the move, fellas? Wingless?
Wingless.
Hear me out.
You
Yeah.
stupid?
Let's return that spoiler. Oh, shit.
All done.
What are you doing, Chuck? This is license plate. It's a DC.
Let's prep the wing for the double-sided tape.
Is it even sticky?
No.
It's not sticky?
Oh.
3M tape was not sticking when we were outside because it's too cold.
Let's warm it up.
It ran out.
What? Thanks so much.
Let's plug this hole.
Oh, that looks so juicy.
Perfect.
Is that venom?
You can be a bit more generous.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, well, it ain't pretty, but it sure is functional.
I think it'll do. This'll do, pig. This'll do.
I think we're ready to put it on. Oh, I got some more shit on me too. Here, and here. Hold it like this, and then you...
Is that good?
And here is the wing. Now here's the thing. We did run into some installation issues. The biggest thing being, there's quite a large gap down here. I don't know if you can see. It's about half a finger width gap between the back of the swing and the back of the trunk. The contact patch over here is pretty good. The contact patch around here is pretty good. The contact patch over here is pretty good. So we are thinking of filling this in with some silicone and some masking tape, but we don't know if that's worth doing right now. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, personally. What do you think?
I don't think so either. And the gap, it's something that I can definitely learn to live with. The only major thing to be concerned about is whether or not the wing's gonna fly off mid-drive.
I highly doubt it.
Yeah. The last thing you would want is to, you know, somebody gets hit with your wing, and all of a sudden, you have to show up in court the next day.
Amen. And there you have it. The wing is on. We have some weights pushing down on the contact points. The gap we ended up filling with silicone, and it actually looks pretty good. It might not be perfect, but we can rub those out once it cures. And look at that weave.
Oh yeah.
How are you liking it?
I reckon that'll do.
That'll do, donkey.
That'll do, pig.
That'll do.
It has gone from daylight to legit nighttime,
Always.
but we got it done.
If you're a fan of the WRX, we installed this exhaust system almost a year ago. That video is also on the channel, so check it out. I'll link it right here. And that's about it for today. See you in the next video.